Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Bread maker. Fresh, homemade bread in 3 easy steps. Just add your ingredients to the bread maker, select the cycle, and press start. Versatile with 12 cycles, make delicious, mouth-watering loaves of bread or prepare dough for pizza and dinner rolls. Cycles include basic, French, gluten-free, whole grain, 1.5 pounds, express, 2.0 pounds, express, sweet dough, roast nuts, jam and bake. Customize bread your way. With the Hamilton Beach bread machine, you can choose to make either 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, or 2 pounds loaves and select from 3 crust settings for light, medium, or dark crust. Beeps when it's time for addins. Before the second kneading cycle, the bread machine beeps to let you know it's time to add fruit, nuts, seeds, or other add-ins to the dough. Drip catcher tray mat. Flex biceps faster drying size. 14.25 into 5.35 into 0.60, 2.36 diameter single faucet hole. Unlike other products, we have increased the size, thickness, and weight of our products. The latest 5 degrees slope design allows for faster and smoother water discharge and faster drying. This means no puddles to clean up, no water spots by the faucet. Give your kitchen sink an effort-saving upgrade. Flex Biceps upgrade version. While other kitchen faucet sink splash guards are made from hard-to-clean fabric that takes a lot of time to dry, our silicone faucet water catcher for sink is made from 100% silicone, soft and reliable, reusable and durable, won't scratch your utensils, totally safe to use. Our silicone water catchers will catch the water and the water will drain to your sink, so don't worry about the wet fabric mat or wash the mat and dry it. Mixing bowls. Versatile kitchen gadgets. The mixing bowls with lid set and colander is perfect for washing vegetables, draining food, making salads, creams, biscuits, cakes, kneading dough, curing meat, and storing. The kitchen essential appliances are ideal for Christmas gift for women, a new home, Easter, Thanksgiving, Mother's Day, or any occasion. Durable material, easy to clean. Each mixing bowl is made of high-quality stainless steel, designed to resist dents and rust, yet they still remain lightweight and easy to handle. The mirrored interior makes cleaning a breeze. The mixing bowl and colander is also dishwasher safe. But the lid is not dishwasher safe. The lids are suitable for hand washing, as the heat of the dishwasher can warp them. Kitchen strainer. Set of 3 versatile colanders. Upgrade your kitchen with this 3-piece stainless steel colander set, designed for maximum convenience and versatility. With 1.5, 3, and 5 quart capacities, you can choose the perfect size for any task, from rinsing fruits and vegetables, draining pasta, straining rice, or washing seafood. Ninger camping cutting board. 2-in-1 cutting board. Foldable sink can be used to wash dishes, vegetables, fruits. Collapsible cutting board can be used to cut meat, vegetables, and fruits, also used as a storage basket for storing various foods and drinks, which effectively save your money, time, and space. Durable material camping sink are made of premium material, strong and durable, not easily deformed. Could be folded repeatedly without warp. The handle is strong and comfortable to carry. The feet are raised and reinforced for more stable and sturdy. 30 mm extra thickness provides a better durability, easy to use. Space-saving portable design. Multifunctional chopping board designed ergonomic, convenient storage, and space-saving design. Cutting board are fold-away, so they do not take up too much room in your kitchen cupboards, which portable and easy to clean. Food dehydrator machine. 10 presets customization. This electric food dehydrator features 10 preset programs for effortless operation. Easily select the precise time and temperature using the LED control panel. Customize settings to suit various food types, ensuring the best taste and retaining the food's original flavor. With a timer range of 1 to 48 hours and temperatures from 95, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, it adapts perfectly to your needs. The automatic shut-off function ensures safety and consistent results, requiring minimal supervision for worry-free food dehydration. Powerful 850W with efficient airflow. Equipped with an 850W heating element and a rear-mounted fan, This jerky dehydrator ensures powerful heat distribution and horizontal air circulation for consistent, even drying. Enjoy faster dehydration and superior results while saving energy. Make one-touch rice cooker. Multifunctional use. Whether you are in the mood for a hearty jambalaya, steamed veggies and rice, or even a fluffy cake, yes, cake, you can accomplish it all with your ARC 7216NG cooker. The possibilities are as creative as you are. Capacity dimensions. The ARC 7216NG has a 32-cup cooked capacity, yielding anywhere from 4 to 32 cups of cooked rice, and measures 11.8 by 10.6 by 13.9. BPA-free. 10.00V. User-friendly programming. This product is also a proud member of our set it and forget it mentality. This product is easy to use with one-touch operation that switches to keep warm automatically once cooking is finished, allowing you the freedom to take back your time instead of worrying while you cook. Accessories. This pot-style rice cooker includes a non-stick inner pot, rice measuring cup, and a plastic rice spatula. Mini bag sealer. Our core advantage: this mini bag sealer is the only one on the market that charges via USB-C port. This unique feature eliminates the hassle of searching for cords, as opposed to other similar products that use micro USB or batteries. With the USB-C interface, all your devices can share the same charging cable, making charging much more convenient. 2-in-1 sealer and cutter. This sealer is an indispensable kitchen accessory, capable of cutting and resealing plastic bags and food storage pouches, providing a more efficient solution than bag clips. It is compact and easy to carry, making it convenient for use on the go. Seal various bags. The heat sealer is suitable for various types of bags. It can quickly reseal food storage bags, chip bags, fruit bags, and candy bags in seconds, keeping them airtight. Automatic pot stirrer. Patented hands-free stirring. Stirs your soups, stews, risottos, chili, polenta, sauces, caramelized onions, cheese curds, and much more to your desired creaminess and consistency. Gently sweeps the pot bottom and prevents food burning and pot scorching. Self-adjusts to full range of pot sizes, 6 to 9 inches in diameter and 3 to 9 inches in depth. Quiet high-torque motor stirs for up to 10 hours per charge, depending on food viscosity, with only 1 hour recharging. Can also be plugged in for continuous operation. Variable speed operation with max speed 1.5x faster than previous generation Stirmate. Attachments available: stainless steel stirrer, thermometer kit, and OMNAXL extra large pot, up to 6-gallon stirrer. Sold separately. The Stirmate Omni XL stainless steel stirring attachment for wide and deep pots up to 5-gallon sizes. Plastic forks. Durable material. The plastic forks are made of heavyweight material. It is colorless and tasteless. Use a clear fork to eat healthy meals. Suitable for hot foods. Plastic forks have been tested to heat up to 176 bars and can be used for both hot and cold food. Thoughtful packaging design. 100-count plastic clear forks, packed in high-quality paper boxes. The sides of the boxes have a design for easy ripping and small windows to see what's inside at a glance. It is convenient for you to take out and keep the rest of the heavyweight cutlery. No washing up. The heavyweight plastic cutlery, available for friends, guests, and customers, while its disposable design promotes quick, hassle-free cleanup when finished. Indulge in the party and do not have to wash dishes and mess. Simply enjoy harmony and convenience. Large size, 7 inches long and 4.8 grams heavy per disposable fork. Clear forks are suitable for tableware of various colors without any sense